Oh, this one's gonna be insane. Unfortunately, we do not have fresh snow. The XRT died. We were gonna take it up into the woods. But today we are gonna be ripping the Outcast in some snow. Unfortunately, it's not fresh. We do have some fresh snow over there, because we were just ripping the XRT out, and I decided, let's take the Outcast in it. It still wants to wheelie. Okay, dude. It's still really cold out here. Dude, I'm struggling with this sun. I don't know about you.
Yeah.
Dude, this needs fluid.
Pour it?
What?
Pour it? Gonna rip in the pool?
What?
Gonna rip in the pool?
You want me to put on the pole? I was gonna say, man, you freaking crazy? It's the state of an art.
Gotta break something today so you have an excuse to film another video.
What, a video fixing it?
Yeah.
I mean, it would probably hold it, but I ain't gonna test it. I'm freaking crazy.
No. Try like slamming your foot against it.
Why do you give me ideas?
Yeah, I'd hold it.
You guys try?
No. Because if it goes through, then you're gonna have a hard time getting it.
Probably shouldn't.
Yeah.
I just don't want to do that, you know?
Just I make a joke and then you start actually considering it.
You just don't make a joke anymore.
Yeah.
I'm actually like done making jokes on the channel. Why does it want to wheelie still?
For some reason it can still grip the ground here. I mean, probably because it's very flattened.
That's frozen ground.
True.
Which is arguably harder to grip than snow. Dude! It just wants to grip. People are gonna turn that into first, right?
Yeah.
Including Max. Max will be one of them in the comment section. Max is one of those people.
No way you just said that!
I forget how heavy this is. This is my heaviest RC car. I gotta be careful with doing that, actually, for real. I love it. That tire, I gotta glue it. I knew I should have glued it last night, but I was not expecting this much snow.
The tire's gonna be cold.
Are you amazed by the traction?
It's doing really well.
It really is.
Let's see how well it does. Let's see how well it does here.
It won't wheelie, but sure in heck likes it. Okay, maybe. Okay, the front end picks up a little bit. Okay, dude. Why? This is illegal.
Doesn't really seem like there's enough space to properly rip over here.
There's not, but it wheelies. That's all I was trying to test, if it can wheelie.
And it can.
And look how deep the snow is too. Chassis level. Chassis is scraping.
You're gonna slam the gas and slam into the stairs.
That's called a ladder, Max.
I know.
Dude, look how deep the ruts are too. Dude, this is a beast in the snow. I mean, it was technically built to tow a sled, so was it meant to go in the snow?
Yeah. It was kind of made for this.
It was made for this, baby.
It was made to tow weight while doing this.
It's not even struggling the least bit. Like, this is like struggling the least out of all the RC cars. I didn't realize I was coming in that fast. That cracked the fence panel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I didn't realize I was coming in that fast. Yeah, I did not realize that. Whoopsie daisy. Dude, she
Looks like you got a new rim color.
I know. We're going white.
Yeah.
Okay. I turned on full throttle when I lost control. I love the Outcast, by the way, everyone. I love this game. Cindy, no!
It's fine. Cindy was cheating on you anyways.
Cindy was probably cheating anyways, right?
Yeah.
Cindy cheated. Dude, why? My reaction is disbelief right now. It likes it. And a lot of you may argue,
Oh, Neil, a lot of the snow's compacted down. Well, there's not a lot of snow right here because you ripped the XRT.
but at the same time, you see it in the fresh snow, it's still wheelie. The XRT wouldn't wheelie. And also, I would argue that this is harder to get traction in than the snow because this is hard as a rock. It's just not struggling. I was thinking about putting the XRT's tires on this, the new Warthog tires, but I was just like, I don't really want to F the pinion and the spur, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, whoa, I'm gonna go light. It's hard to go, because that's the same amount of throttle I was giving the XRT, but this is just so much faster. So let's try to actually crawl.
Easy.
Dude, that easy? All right, can it get stuck? All right, come on. Can it get stuck? Is that possible? Dude, the Outcast can go. Illegal. Ice skating, baby. y'all enjoyed, guys. That was the Outcast ripping in the snow. Overall, this has to be my best RC car in the snow. I was impressed on how it just doesn't get stuck. The XRT got stuck over on that hill when crawling it, but this thing could just start right at the bottom of the hill, just crawl it just fine. The absolute sheer torque, I think the power really got shown in today's video. You know, one guy said he thinks it's 70 miles an hour, 75 miles an hour. I personally think I disagree, just because of the sole factor of I have a Typhon, and on smaller RC cars, it tends to feel like they have more power because it's on a smaller scale, so it feels more out of control. And this actually feels more out of control than the Typhon. So I'm probably gonna say that this is faster than 75. My Typhon goes 70 with the high-speed gearing. So I don't know. I'm thinking probably, my guess is 80 to 90, in that range. In that range, probably 80 to 90. We'll see though. One day I plan on eventually speed running this. So I hope you all enjoy, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The Outcast dominated in today's video, and surprisingly, compared to the XRT, a lot of crap didn't stick to the top, if you notice, actually. So overall, guys, hope you all enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all the links down below, and peace.